This is going to be a super quick rundown of how to use Libby as the app companion to Overdrive. So, whether you have Android or an Apple product, you go to your App Store and download Libby by Overdrive. The icon will look the same, and when it opens, you'll see it takes you right to your shelf. So this is my library card number that's currently loaded in. I'm going to use the little face icon where it has the 8 notifications up there. Something that's interesting and maybe helpful, down towards the middle where it says See Library Cards and Add a Library. If you have multiple library accounts that you either want to access from one system, like for instance, if you have your family's cards separate that you want to keep from maybe a school account or something that you use just for school, or if you have multiple library cards at different libraries, you can add a library and add a card there. But here, I'm going to add another card just so you can see how easy it is. So I'm going to add my programming card, and it's just as easy as entering your library card number, and then you add your PIN number and you sign in. So now I've added my programming library card, and in my profile I have 2 different accounts that I can now use. That's pretty great. Once back at the main page, here we are in my shelf. You can see at the very bottom in red it says shelf, because that's where we're at. If you tap the other side to go to library, it'll take you to the Metro Library Network's catalog, right? So currently you can see in that burgundy bar I have 3 preferences selected. Right now I have selected audiobooks for juveniles that are available now. At any point in time you can change those preferences. Maybe we want any books this time, but just for kids. Apply the preferences, and we have all sorts of different things. So here are some books that are always available, some titles chosen by our librarians, and if you have a specific title that you're looking for, you can always search at the top. So let's see, for instance, a little Geronimo Stilton. Let's see. Geronimo Stilton. Let's look at the whole series. So here we go. Here's, for instance, books 1 through 3. You can tell it's an audiobook because it's got the earbuds at the bottom. And then you can either borrow or play a sample. If you want to borrow that book, choose which one you want. Currently, this will check it out on my programming account, and borrow. You'll see you'll have it for 21 days, and you're all set. So that's a very quick and easy tour of Libby. Just keep in mind, everything returns automatically, so that's pretty nice too. You can have holds in Libby as well, and you can change the notifications of how you either automatically check those out, or if you get an email and then you go and check them out after that. If you're not ready for them, you can pass and let the next person have it and still stay on the hold list. And so, in a nutshell, that's Libby.